Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable two-factor authentication on Viber, or you can call it how to disable two-factor authentication or two-step verification on Viber. The first thing to do is, after you've enabled this, I say for one reason you want to disable it, how do you do it? Open up your Viber app, tap on the three dots at the bottom, which is to open up your more settings, and then you tap on settings, tap on privacy, tap on two-step verification. I can see disable at the bottom. Tap on disable, put in your code, your 6-digit code, and it's to ask you, do you want to disable password protection? If you really want to, confirm by tapping on disable. And it's as simple as that. If you want to enable it, you can check out a video on how to enable two-factor authentication, or you can simply just follow the same steps for disabling, but it will be longer. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.